that's a picture here. We will edit the picture by using the filters from the filter gallery. This tutorial of Photoshop is for beginners to get awareness for the basics of the Photoshop. So let's apply the filter over it. Now I will make a selection on half of the image to make some fun here. In that filter gallery, we will select some shapes, square sizes, add some relief. So you can see the difference here. You can use the history brush tool to get back the real